is night 2, and we're already off to a good start. You're not gonna believe this, but I got everything soaked, and I come out here tonight, and I realized now that everything's in the air, I forgot to undo the lugs on the tires, and everything's already up. So hopefully I can do this without having to redo it, but if not, we'll have to take it all back down again. So not fun, but plan is tonight. We got to get this rear down, get this thing out so I can get everything painted, get it back in, and hopefully be done by the end of the weekend. So it's Friday night now. I came out here on Thursday night, so everything's been soaking, so we should be in good shape. So it's a little late, but let's get to it. Second thing I'm going to do, I'm not a professional, I'm just guessing. I'm trying to take away any danger. So the shocks are off. Next I'm going to do is the drive shaft. So I'm not climbing underneath the car trying to do the drive shaft when obviously it's about to come out. So, but before I do that, the most dangerous thing is spiders. Everyone knows that spiders are the most dangerous thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the damn spiders out from underneath the car that I just saw. Then I can go under, because otherwise I'm not going anywhere near this damn thing. I'm not scared of snakes. I'm not scared of rats. I'm not scared of heights. I've jumped out of planes. I'm not scared of anything. I fucking hate spiders. I'm not scared of them. I hate them. Hate them, hate them, hate them. Okay. Can make it an old man rolly cart. Keep all my stuff together. Old man rolly cart. All right. Taking a beer break real quick. I got the one side done and looked up and realized I never disconnected the brake lines. I'm gonna do that real quick. It's only one spot on the rear and then disconnect the 2 lines, so it's pretty easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and then get to the other side. But until then, I'm taking a rest. God, it's good when it's cold. I'm gonna get to the other side. I'll be right back. Well, in like 30 minutes or so. Alright, well, I think I missed my calling in life. I found that I'm really good at underestimating how long things are going to take. It's like 2 in the morning, I'm just now getting this done. So, we still got another day or 2 left. However, I got all the bolts out, and I think she's going to come down now, so we're going to give it a shot. Okay, going the wrong way. Nope, just doesn't like me. That was the right way. Yeah, she's coming down. There we go. I don't know what's still holding it in. It's out. I think the one shock is still holding on for dear. There we go. There we go. All right. That's it for tonight, guys. Tomorrow, get it cleaned up, get that out, get it painted underneath there, get our parts clean, get the new brakes on it, get the new rear end. Hopefully be done by Sunday. See you tomorrow. I'm tired. All right, fellas, here we are, night number 3. I tell you what, man, building a car on a budget is awesome, but you still got to put in the work. So, replacing a rear, control arms, brakes in a car from 1980 is turning out to be a hell of a job. It's going to be well worth it when I'm done, though. But, that being said, it's time to get back into it. Today's Saturday. I should have had time during the day, but I ended up going into work, make a little bit extra money, obviously, to pay for this stuff. So it doesn't take away from the family. So I got to put in the nights to do what I want to do. But like I said, it's gonna be well worth it. So follow along. Here we go. Third night in. What I'm gonna do tonight is take off the emergency brakes. That's one of the last few items that I have left to do here. So I figured I'd teach you guys on how to properly remove an emergency brake cable in a drag car. I noticed on Facebook and not just Facebook, YouTube, I was watching a bunch of videos trying to figure out how to take these things off. A lot of guys are having a lot of problems with it. So tonight I found the solution and I just wanted to share it with you. So hang tight. There you go. You can thank me later. Race cars don't need emergency brakes. I'm not dealing with that. Look like a nightmare. Alright, let's see if she'll play along. I cut the lines. Everything's done. Now I took the upper control arms. I disconnected them from the rear because the rear's in the way, so I still have to take them off from the body, which I'm going to do once we get her down. But right now, let's see if we can't get her to wiggle down. Actually, let's get. My concern is that my jacks might actually be holding it in place, which would suck. Let's get our little thing apart here. Alright. Now let's see if she'll come down. Alright. Now. She has to be a little stickler, but it's starting to come out now. Now let's get the other side. See if that'll come down. There is a bolt that I didn't get. It's just in a little bit left, and it's squeezed in between the exhaust. I think it's holding us up, so let me see if I can't get that out of the way. Lifting it, moving it, lifting it, moving it. There we go. Yes. And it's done. We got it. After several painstaking days, we finally got all this out. So I'm going to go ahead right now and undercoat everything, let it dry, and finally get this rear back in. I finally got it. Check that out. She looks good. Oh, hold on, I'm trying to lay down and get you guys a good picture. Yeah, buddy. All off a Marketplace. See if I can brighten that up a little bit. See them control arms, it look good. Oh, it looks so good. All right, let's get her down and see how she comes out. Make sure it works. But it's all tightened up, all buttoned up. One step closer. One step closer. Guys, the battery died on me, so I'm charging up right now, but that'll be the end of this series. I literally have just spent 6 evenings putting this whole rear together, but to be honest with you, it came out awesome. I still have to do the drag tires, I still have to do rebuild the brake system, not the drum brakes themselves with all new springs and stuff like that, just to be safe. And I'm still going to put the drive shaft loop in her, and then we're going to be ready to roll. So my plan is to start doing all that next week and then going through and finding out where that misfire was coming from. But man, 2 more videos and we should be at the racetrack, or maybe 1 more video. I'm hoping just 1 more video and we should be at the racetrack, and then I'll be videotaping that as well, and that's going to be awesome. So the I don't know if you can tell, but the ride height, I'm sure it's going to sink back down because it's new, but looks awesome. I like the old school setup. I don't know if you're old school like me, but I like that. But I'm going to go ahead and start her up, see if she'll run, and get her out, and I will see you guys next week. See ya.